Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a kind and gentle rabbit named Thistle. Thistle was known for his compassionate nature, always helping fellow forest creatures in need. One sunny day, he discovered a mysterious book nestled beneath a willow tree. To his surprise, the book granted him the power to bring joy and harmony to the forest through his words. Thistle, fueled by his kind heart, began writing enchanting tales that spread warmth and happiness throughout the woodland. Animals gathered eagerly to hear his stories, and the once muted forest echoed with laughter and camaraderie. Word of Thistle's magical gift reached the distant realms, attracting creatures from far and wide. The enchanted forest became a haven of unity, all thanks to the kind rabbit who used the power of his words to create a world where compassion and friendship flourished. And so, Thistle's legacy as the storyteller of harmony lived on, inspiring generations to come.